I expect some drizzle and spot showers to still be sticking with us as we head through the day. It does taper off as we head into the later hours, but that heat will start to return by the time we head into midweek. We do have a high rip current risk now through Saturday, so we just have some very choppy waters. Satellite and radar over the last hour or so, we've been looking at a lot of these storms popping up. So Port St. Lucie, you've seen some of these showers and a quick brief thunderstorm pop up in your area. Stuart, same thing for you. That's been moving south along the Turnpike and 95. And as we look over in Jupiter, you had one that popped up as well. But these are starting to fall apart as we're getting into the afternoon hours. And so as we're looking along Boynton Beach, Delray, Boca, we've had some of those showers move through, but again, just falling apart, and that's because of the dry air in place from the front that moved through. And so as that front moved through, we brought that dry air in, that eats up all the moisture in the atmosphere, and that just leaves us with a couple of pop-up showers and a few, some drizzle in the area. So as we look at the setup, we have this low pressure system that's just kind of parked over here to the east of us, but that just kind of brings in some of those showers as it spins through, so we get some of that backlash. As we move into later on today, we'll start to see it clear up a little bit more for us. So we'll see some clouds. We might see some peaks of sunshine at times. But right now, 74 degrees, looks a little gloomy out. Winds are out of the east now. It's 16 miles an hour. So temperatures, we're warming up slowly but surely. We're in the 70s, upper 70s for most of us. A few of us still hanging around in those lower and mid 70s. Boca Raton sitting at 79 degrees right now. So as we move through the day, we'll get up to about those upper 70s, a few of us in the low 80s, and then by the time we head into the 6 o'clock hour, we start to dip and taper off and get cooler as we go into the evening hours. So for today, just expect some coastal showers, a few pop-up storms here and there. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler along the coastline, so we'll stay in those mid 70s. And as we start to move over inland, we'll see those temperatures rise into the low 80s. Those winds will stay with us about 20 miles an hour out of the east. So as we look at the futurecast for tomorrow morning, as you're heading out the door, a couple of pop-up showers will be around, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Very low chances for tomorrow morning, so we're only looking at about 20% of us actually seeing something out of this. So as we look at our rain chances for the week, really not too much going on. So a few of us are seeing it today, and then those rain chances just taper off. We definitely need the rain, but we're only going to see, some of us only about a 1/10 of an inch out of this, and a few of us might even see about an inch. So what's going on for this week? We're tracking the heat. We have a high pressure system that's over in the Gulf that's going to start to drive into our area. That's going to drive those temperatures up as we head into the middle part of the week. So as we take a look at that 7-day forecast, by the time we get to Wednesday, we're in the upper 80s. Heading into Thursday, we see the sunshine return, but we're going to be hitting 90s by the time we move into Thursday and Friday.